The last time XRP did this move, this ascending pattern, it did a 5x. Yes, this Ripple XRP is doing the exact same move. And I've not seen anyone on YouTube or TikTok speak about this. Look at what's happening. It almost feels like deja vu of what happened at the beginning of the year when XRP went from about 25 cents up to 70 cents, came down, went up again, but it did not pass its previous high of 70 cents, and then it went down and everyone got scared again, and then it did a 5x almost from 40 cents to almost $2, everyone. So that's a 4 to 5x. So if we do that again, and why do I say that could happen again? Because take a look at it. Take a look at it on this chart and on this chart. It seems like we're literally about to do the exact same pattern. And this is key. If we hold this support and just consolidate right here and then go up, expect for an explosive move, because that's exactly what it did right here. It came down just like we're doing right now, comes down, but still an ascending wedge pattern. It's bullish. That is what this means. So expect a 4 to 5x XRP by the end of this year. Literally by the end of December, in 3 months, I believe we could see a 4 to 5x. Like easy. We could see that. By the end of September, this month, we could see a $2 XRP. Yes. And if we do not, I'm going to give away hundreds of XRP to you all watching right now. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, because we're just getting started and I'm doing an H-bar giveaway, XRP giveaways, so join us. Make sure you subscribe so you enter into those giveaways. Now, this right here is another example of why we are bullish. Look at this. Look at this. This is Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, with the Deputy General Counsel, head of the International Monetary Fund, literally sitting side by side, speaking about the future of finance and fintech and how it's going to work, and blockchain and DLTs. And not only that, but Mr. CEO of Ripple, XRP, right here, also is sitting next to the Hong Kong Monetary Authority chief and the chairman of the Saudi Arabian Monetary Authority. They both have a lot of money, Hong Kong and Saudi Arabia. And the director of the monetary markets of the IMF. Like, look at this. This is why Ripple XRP is not going anywhere. And Ripple also, back in 2020, if you did not know, got awarded a patent. So Ripple has patented their technology. No one is going to copy them or mimic them. And now these are some facts and fictions debunked of Ripple XRP. XRP is not centralized, everyone. It is decentralized. We have more than 150 validator nodes and over 1,000 nodes on the XRP ledger already. So it is decentralized. And all of you watching, yes, you can run a node on the XRP ledger. So do not tell me it's not decentralized. Now, I'll leave a link to it down below. I don't want to spend too much time on it, but this is important. This right here is very important. Just today, the Ripple's legal team told Fox Business that they have no plans to settle with the SEC over the lawsuit on XRP being a security. That the Ripple is so confident in this that they can show Gary Gensler and the SEC that they are going to win this case and that they are going to make a case for all of crypto, not just XRP, not just this right here, all of cryptocurrency. And we have spoken about, this is literally the most historic cryptocurrency case of all time in history, ever, period, of Ripple XRP. That the SEC is doing a witch hunt against us, and it is only a matter of time. Now, some people were speaking about Swift and how, Swift is a competitor to Ripple, and this chart makes it seem like, Ripple is not competing with the likes of Swift, of the IMF, of the Bank of International Settlements, of any type of organization. No, Ripple and XRP are there to facilitate and to help and to make everything better and faster and cheaper for all types of financial institutions and companies and countries around the world. So everyone can benefit from Ripple XRP. And again, this right here, this elite team that Ripple has built, is only a matter of time, and that is why we cover Ripple XRP on a daily basis. And again, if worst case scenario, we don't hit $2, which we will by the end of this month, I believe we will hit $2 XRP by the end of this month. And that's being conservative. Anything is possible. Now, just like I said, anything is possible. Is it possible that XRP comes down to 55 cents right here and then keeps going back up? Yes, that is very, very possible. So what would you do though? On this channel, we know what we'd do. We would buy the heck out of this Ripple XRP. You know why? Because we know the true value of it. And we just spoke about just some reasons. Like today, this video, what we just covered in 4 or 5 minutes of straight facts of why Ripple is better than a lot of other cryptocurrencies, is just a small piece of the pie of what we've spoken about on this channel, everyone. Literally, we have made over 200 videos of Ripple XRP. On the playlist, there's only 150, but no, there's more than 200 videos of Ripple XRP because there is a lot to unravel. So not only is the fundamentals good like this, but look at the price, and now look at the price movement. Like, this is very interesting. Let me remove the drawing so maybe you could see it more clearly. As you can tell, this is the first segment, this is the first section that I want you to focus on, and then this is the second section. Notice how literally the movement is very similar. This is a higher high than this one, just like this one's a higher high than this one, and this one, the first time it made a higher high, it went down drastically, right? Just like this one, it went down drastically. This one did not go down drastically. It was still in a bullish movement. It was a bullish pattern, as you can tell right here. It did not go all the way down to right here. So that's why I said earlier, if this holds the $1 range, we can easily see it just go up to the moon. By the end of the month, $2, everyone. But again, is it possible to come back down? Yes. But us as investors, you watching, us, every single one of us, we are here for the right reasons, and we know the fundamentals of this project is amazing. So worst case scenario, all of cryptocurrency keeps going down, because it's not just Ripple XRP that would get hurt. No, if XRP goes down, it's because the whole cryptocurrency market goes down. So worst case scenario, if everything goes down, we know which ones are the good projects. Like these right here are the good projects. We filter them out from the terrible projects that we do not want to speak about, okay? I do not want to speak about bad projects. We cover amazing projects that are here to stay for 10, 20, even 100 years. Yes, literally 100 years. These projects will be around for. Ripple XRP is only about 7, 8 years old. It came out back in 2013, so it's a little tiny baby. Like, think about Apple. Apple's about 40 plus years. Apple is 40 plus years. So think about where XRP would be in 30 years. Think about that. Think about where XRP would be in 30 years. That is the potential of what we're speaking about. And some of you might say, oh, I'm not going to be here in 30 years. No, you should be positive. You should expect to be here in 2050 and have an amazing life. Like, that is what we're here for, everyone. Every single one of us are gonna have an amazing future, an amazing 2021, especially because we're just getting started with XRP. Also, we know about the suppression, we know about the witch hunt, we know about once we break our all-time high, we're gonna double or triple minimum, absolute minimum, and that is why we are so bullish. Again, make sure you subscribe if you have not yet already joined us, because we are doing giveaways. We're bullish on a bunch of good projects, not bad projects like some people. But again, join us. I love you all. Take care, everyone, and I'll see y'all very, very soon. Until next time, Mr. Mufleh out.